Hey, this is Scott Brown for AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment for my Module 17 Data Protocol. I made a very simple graphic that I think our data teams and our staff members could use when analyzing assessment data and any type of data really. It starts with has four pieces to it where where do we want to be. This is kind of the graphic that will be at the front. There's 2 pages to it. Where are we currently? Where are our scores right now? What changes need to be made, and what were the results of those changes? That's something we can look at after the assessments are done again. The second page kind of goes to where our team can kind of fill out some spots there and dig a little deeper into what the data, what we're looking at. In the middle there, it has a part where the team can fill out what subject, if this is an entire grade we're looking at, or is this a certain student we're looking at, what assessment was it. And back to the start there, what is our goal for in an individual student or an entire grade? What is our goal? What are we striving to get to? The next section would be where are we right now in comparison to our goal? Have we met our goal? What is the gap? The next part would be what changes need to be made to close that gap or improve. If we've already met our goal, we always want to keep trying to get better, so we need to set ourselves a new goal. And what were the results of our changes? Did we improve? Did we go backwards? Did we stay the same for the entire class or for that individual student? And it just keeps, with this data protocol, it just keeps going. We're always assessing. It is just a continuous. There's never an end game to it. It just always continues to keep going and going and going. So once we've met a goal, now we're going to set a new goal. If we haven't met that goal, then we need to start over. We need to think of different ways to try to improve our scores for an entire grade or for an individual student. I've enjoyed the class. Thank you all for your help. Definitely something I didn't. This class was something that I didn't know a heck of a lot about because I don't deal with data very often as a PE teacher, but I sure learned a lot, and thank you all for your help.